All right, it's this is the 6th day. Oh, I see a flower.
You see a flower?
Yeah, starting right over there. Okay,
flower.
so we're here and standing in front of the forest here of flowers, and major difference from before.
Yes, they worked.
And
We'll turn it around so you can see all the little seedlings. But yes, we have lots
of seedlings.
Lots.
But take a look at this. Look at all of those. How beautiful. Don't mind the weeds over there.
on the outside. And the pumpkins are growing too.
Oh,
So
okay.
they're coming in.
Ooh, ooh.
I haven't looked over.
I think we got some growth over there
yeah,
too.
sunflowers.
All right. We're walking through the forest here. Oh. Wow. Oh, so there's the amaranthus.
Yep.
Wow, look at all these.
And then Laura.
Wow. We got lots of hope for flowers. And then we got some pumpkins.
You know, we did all these rows because we brought them in.
Growing here. Lots coming over here too.
So that's exciting.
I don't want to even do it, like, I won't do a pan of everything.
Because it looks pretty crazy. How
Look
about
at all
down the
those.
sunflowers?
Let's go.
Mm-hmm.
All right, so here we're on this big row, and so there's 1,
I gotta get rid of
2, 3. Oh, another 2 of them here. And then another
that. So we
one.
gotta figure out where to put the ones that Nancy.
So there's more growing up there. Don't mind all the grass. Day 6. Yeah, they're all growing now. All of that down there. Pumpkin plants down there. We've got some sunflowers here to plant. We've got some of the sunflowers growing, so we're just gonna plant those, and we got some weeding to do. So we're planting sunflowers here. Dig more. There's Gina weeding. We're gonna plant some right over there too. She's got some okra growing also. Our pumpkins on the stick are not growing. Alright, so I've got all of these. Go through and plant them all. Split that one up. Get them all buried. Or planted. Okay, planted all the sunflowers over there. 1, 2, 3 right here that our friend Nancy started for us. Look at all these flowers. And we've got a little guy coming in right here, which is fine. Oop. There's another one right here. Hello over there, Gina.
What's that?
I'm taking a video.
Oh, don't get my good side.
She is, we're taking a break and we're picking blackberries, maybe some blueberries. All right. Do we think it's day 6? Like I said,
I think so. 6 or 7.
Okay.
Yeah, we're close.
I think it's 6. Maybe not. We're pick some cucumbers.
Refreshing ourselves.
And we picked all sorts of stuff there. So
Good nutrition.
yeah.
A lot of water. Anyway, I think we survived. Our plants are looking great. Sunflowers, new sunflowers got planted.
Yep, I put those in there a little earlier.
And we have one that looks like it's getting ready to flower. So
I got some footage of that one too.
So I think we're good.
Yep. All right.
See you soon.
See you guys next time.
You want a munchie? No? Because Bella does. Susie! Who's living?
Peeing at the same time.
Look.
Look. Come on, Rosie. Come. Yeah. Hi. They've all gotten so dark.
What's that?
They've all gotten so dark.
Bella, you don't have a bell.